Good morning, students of class 3. Today we'll start lesson number 8, MS Word 2007. So this is, I think, the second lesson after half yearly. Lesson number 7 we have finished before the half yearly. So today we are going to start MS Word 2007. So what is actually MS Word 2007? And how to start it, the components of Word, how to create a new document, how to save, close, these things, and printing we'll be discussing in this lesson. So you are requested to read the lesson properly at home after you see the explanation. So let us begin MS Word 2007. So what is MS Word 2007? Before we start MS Word 2007, we have to understand what we do in MS Word 2007. So actually you have seen, like you write your question answer, when you write anything in your paper, you are used to write with pen or pencil, and sometimes when you make mistakes, you have to erase it or you have to cut it to make the changes. So this takes a lot of time, and it is actually very difficult to to make it easier to write and to make changes much more easier. So for that purpose, if you use a computer, it will be very easily can be done. So I have underlined it, why we use MS Word, why you're using computer to write instead of writing in on paper, because it helps to edit the changes very easily. So this is the definition of MS Word. I have underlined it. Microsoft Word is a word processing program. That means you can type in MS Word, you can edit it, format, save the documents for later purpose. So a word processor is a computer program. It is a computer program, only it can be done in the computer only. Provides formatting, editing, input and output of text with various other features. So these things can be done. You can input, that means you can write with the help of keyboard, format it, change it, edit it, okay, making corrections and all, and then you get the output on of the text on the monitor, or you can print out on a paper. So this is the history of MS Word given here. It was first started in 1983, and now the latest one here is given MS Word 2007. And moreover, in MS Word you get some additional things like use themes, smart art, styles, etc. You'll get in the higher classes. And next comes how to save. When you save your document, when you save your file in the computer in MS Word, it's saved with the extension. Remember, dot, you have to give a dot, that is full stop, then docx. This is what the extension of the file name. Suppose your file name you are giving is xyz, so when it saves, it will save by this name, dot xyz dot docx. So now let us go how to open MS Word 2007. This is the steps given here. So it is also given in the next page, page number 80. If you open, it is given with the help of pictures. So let us see how to open the MS Word 2007 from step number 1. Click on the start button on the left corner of your computer, then go to all programs. Then next step you find here, scroll down and find Microsoft Office written here, click on it. Then from the list of softwares of Microsoft Office you find MS Word, Microsoft Office 2007. So after you click, it will open up on the computer screen. So this is the starting page of MS Word. Like this it looks. So here you'll get many components as given in the book. So these are components of MS Word. This is important, this picture. So you should go through the picture carefully. Where are the office button, insertion point, what is the workspace area, horizontal scroll bar, zoom slider, ribbon, title bar, status bar, where is the status bar located. So these are the different components. That definition is also given in page number 80 and 81. Title bar, what is title bar, office document, So here is the title bar. This long bar on the top where document 1 Microsoft Word is written, this is the title bar. The first one is the file name, and the second one, Microsoft Word, is the name of the application, the name of the application that is you are studying now, Word 2007. And one side there is Office button, Quick Access toolbar. This is the Quick Access toolbar. On the right side, you got the three buttons like Close button, Restore button, Maximize button, and the Minimize button. So next comes insertion point. What is insertion point? Tab, ribbon. So if you see here what this blinking line, this line is called the insertion point. This blinking coming and going, you can see this is called the insertion point. And these are the ribbon. This is the ribbon of home tab. If you click on insert tab, you get the ribbon of insert tab. Click on review. This is a review tab ribbon. Okay, so these are the various ribbon. Then you have group is this one. If when you click on home tab, you get the home tab ribbon, and under this ribbon of home tab you get the clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, and so on. Similarly, insert tab, on its ribbon you get different types of groups like illustrations group, and you have the button. There's a command button of the illustrations group like picture command, clip art button. Okay, this is given in the illustrations group of the insert tab ribbon. Then you have the workspace area. This white space is called the workspace area where you can type using the keyboard. Okay, then you have the scroll bar. One scroll bar is on the right side, which is called the vertical scroll bar, and there is another scroll bar you can see here. This is called the horizontal scroll bar. So two scroll bars appears in the MS Word. Then comes the status bar. This bottom line you can see here, this is the status bar. It shows the number of pages of the current document, how many words you have typed here. Like you have typed here one word, the second word I have typed here. Okay, then you have some view buttons like print layout button, full screen view, then web layout. So this is a print preview, this is a full screen. Okay, close it. Then you have the web layout button. So this is the view buttons. Then you have the zoom slider, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so these are the buttons available in the status bar. Next comes creating a new blank document. How you can create a new document and how you can enter text on your document, and then how to save your file. All is given in page number 82. So I'll just show you the practical way of how to create a blank document. First you go to the office button, click on new. The new document dialog box arrives. So blank and recent, click on blank document in the middle part, and then click on create button. So it creates a blank document. Then you can type over here like this. You can enter your text in your document. So then next comes is how to save your document. How to save your document. The 5 steps are given here. So I'm showing you. Click on this office button, go to save. The save as dialog box appears. Then you select the location where you want to save your file. Okay, so give a file name to here, like I'm giving here file name fruit. Then click on save button. So the file has been saved. You can see here the name has arrived as fruit. Okay, what type of document is the Word document, Microsoft Word document. So this is how you save your file. Then comes how to close. How to close. So you can close using the office button. Here click on office button, go down and you'll find close. So this one will close, but the application will be there, Word will be there, but only the file will close. Then comes how to print a document. If you want to print we'll come to the section how to print a document. The steps are given in the book, page number 83. If you open and see your book, so let us do it practically. So first, after you have typed the document, go to the office button, then you'll find a print button here. So this is the print button. From the print button, go to the right side, you'll find print option is there. So click on it. So the print dialog box appears. So you can select the number of pages, current page, all pages, how many copies you want, whether you want 2 copies or 3 copies to be printed. So like this, you can increase the number of copies. Then you can click on OK button. So it will start printing if you have a printer attached to your computer. Okay, so I'm canceling because I don't have any printer. So like this, you can print your document. Next comes how to exit Word, the last section, page number 84. How to exit Word, that means how will you close this Word application. Okay, the Word software, MS Word software. There are many ways I have marked here. This is the first way. You can do any one of the way. You can click on Office button and then click Exit Word, or press Alt plus F4 on the keyboard, or double click the Office button. This Office button you can double click, or you can do the last number, click on Close button on the program window, and your application will close. So either you can click on this one, click on Close button. So this is the Close button, or you can go here and click on Exit Word. From Office button, click on Exit Word. This is the first way. Or you can use the keyboard by pressing Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. This one you have to press together on the keyboard. It will close then. Or you can double click this Office button. If you double click, it will close. So I am double clicking this one. So you will see it will close. So it is asking whether you want to save. So I am selecting no. So it has closed. So like this, you can close MS Word. So I hope you have understood. So do watch both the videos carefully and read the lesson after you have watched the videos, so to have a better understanding, and go to the chapter review points, all the points, these are important. Okay, then you have to do the tick mark exercise, question number A, this one. So these things you have to do. I have tick marked here all the answers here, so you can note it down if you want to note it down and tick mark in your book. Then you have the fill in the blanks. This is the fill in the blanks. So I have the answers I have marked here and written also here. You can write it in your book. Okay, you can pause the video and write it in your book. Then there is true and false. So answers I've written here, true, 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 and last one is the false. Question number D and E I'll give you later in the class group. Then you have unscramble the words. I have written the correct answer. First one is Microsoft, second one click, third one document, 4 is save, and 5 is exit. So you can write it down in your book. After pausing the video, you can pause the video and then you can write it down. Then you have the match the following, last one also I have done here. So this is the number I have given. B is related to number 3, not 4. So you can write down the answers. You mark the answers in your book. Only that is question D and E I will give you later in the class group, and that one you have to write in the copy. Only D and E you will write in the copy. Others like I have marked in the book, G, F, question number C, true and false, fill in the blanks, and tick mark. These one you write only in the book. So thank you for now. Take care everybody.